A gunman killed the Director General of Upper Nile State Ministry of Housing, Land and Public Utilities, John Okiniyor, on Tuesday. The State Police Commissioner, Major General Chola Tem, told iRadio, Okini was shot dead at his home in Malakal town at 8 p.m. General Atem said the assailant escaped after committing the crime. The person who did this crime ran after he killed John Okiniyor. Of course, that time people runs during the shooting, but the investigation is going on because the security forces are searching for the person who committed this crime, said Atem. The motive of the killing, which caused panic at High Jalabal, is unknown. However, the police officials said they are investigating the incident and called for calm among residents. My message to the people of Malakal town is for them to be calm, because we are doing our job and the government is in control, he said. The murder is the third of its kind, involving influential people in Malakal town. Last year, top SSPDF General, Arap Akyu, and peace activist Giuliano Ambrose were shot dead while returning home from a market in the town. Later in the same year, armed individuals shot at people who had turned up for the reception of the new state governor, Bud Hakayang. 3 people, including a woman, were killed as a result. Also in July 2020, a public prosecutor in the state, identified as Thomas Abana Cole, was killed by armed assailants. Since then, no culprits have been identified and punished for the crimes.